Good day and welcome to my channel. This is Income Up. Um, I've been discussing today again on Hamster Kombat distribution formula. You can see from the interface where this is the airdrop interface that has just been updated. So most of us, some of our followers too, did not really understand this interface. So I'm going to be explaining it so as to know what to expect as a miner, and if you have subscribed to Hamster Kombat. So let me do a detailed explanation here. I've done the listing of Hamster Kombat and what should be expected, but let me do a detailed explanation. Usually I don't want my video to be too long. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that when I come up with video like this that I used to do every week, you will be notified, and also help me to like the video so many more people can see the video on the internet. Now, the first thing you can see here is TBA, airdrop TBA. TBA means to be announced. That means the detail in terms of the day, in terms of the number of airdrop or coins you should be expecting will be announced later. You know, we are talking about profit per hour. Some of us already have 3 million, as you can see in the achievement platform. I've done video on that. You see 3 million, and I've encouraged us to do our best to get to 3 million. Even if it's 100,000, you can see it starts from 100, 10,000, 1 million, then 3 million, 5 million, 6 million. So there's no maximum. Anyhow you can get to the highest point you can get to in terms of accumulation. Then you can see the points. The point is going to be appearing here after they've announced. Then you can see the withdrawal, which means it's going to be withdrawn from this very interface. So let us be expectant. The first thing here is passive income. People are asking what is passive income. Let's click on it. You can see that what they are saying at the golden rule of a successful business is that it should work for you. Passive income is an important concept of the game. Invest your game currency and make sure your exchange mines more asset for you. So that means when you are not even there, your exchange is mining for you. That's when you are having profit per hour, you are accumulating profit per hour. Each time you come back, you see the coins that have been accumulated, for you. I assume you have 3 million profit per hour. That means when you come back every hour, you are having 3 million. 3 hours, you are having 9 million. But take note that if you don't come, like some people are making that mistake, they go once in a day, they open Hamster Kombat once in a day, you are losing a lot. The accumulated coins you have made is one of the achievements. Go to the achievement level. I'm not going there for today. I'm just talking about this airdrop section. I've done video on that. You will see that the maximum there is 15 billion, coins. That means the more you are visiting this platform and investing your coins, the more chances you have to invest higher numbers of airdrop. So take note of that. So this is the first one is talking about your profit per hour. Number two, end task. That end task there is talking about the videos, YouTube videos you are watching at the end task, section. Your exchange you have chosen with Twitter, that is S you have connected to, Telegram you are connected to. So all the tasks that are there, the matters. So they are going to be rewarding you. Take your time to read here. I don't want this video to be too long. Then you come back to friends. How many friends have you invited? Those you call crypto whale, just that they mentioned here. Those people that have a lot of followers who have the opportunity of inviting thousands. So that means you have to also build your followers, create a mini group and keep on building it to have followers. So that when there's an opportunity like this for an airdrop that is proving, don't just invite people, because that's one of the issues we have among the celebrities. They invite people or the influencers, and then at the end of the day, it's not worthwhile. So take note of that. So the more people you invited, if you have invited a lot of people in this Hamster Kombat, you are going to be rewarded just as it was done in Notcoin. Then your achievement, I mentioned that already. The cards you have upgraded, make sure you have upgrading your card at least to level 15. Upgrade your cards, or you can see from this achievement, everything is here matter. The cipher, it matters. If you're not been do your best to be doing it. The Hamster combo of 5 million a day, do your best to take up advantage of it. It matters. So no matter what they are brought here, no matter how difficult it is, it's part of your achievement. Then Telegram subscription. This has to do with you subscribing to Telegram Premium. Here in Nigeria is 5,000 monthly. That is about $3.2 or thereabout. So whatever is worth doing is worth doing. I always say this. So subscribe. When you subscribe, there are more opportunities, there are more reward that you will get in almost all the airdrops on Telegram. Then the keys. This is one of the last aspects that they introduced. It was just a mini game before, but now they have more than 4 avenues of getting keys. So do your best to accumulate as many as you can. In fact, I saw someone that is already having more than 80 keys, whereas for the threshold based on the first mini game they introduced, perhaps it should be around the 23rd key. But some people are already at triple their keys already, taking advantage. So which means there's no limit, and you can see that even from the write up here, if you take your time to read it, know that keys are a valuable asset to build a sustainable platform. We need to open a great amount of locks on proper doors. Third-party games integration, test is the key to a big publishing platform that will ensure long-term token utility. So which means this we are just going to be investing is not just for now. It's a continual thing, as the core team has already said. This game can continue. The other game they are going to be introducing. So do your best to accumulate as many key. The more key you accumulate, the more points you are going to have. So that is just the explanation here. So we are waiting for further updates. But the update they brought just today, telling us that we should keep hope alive. They are not just like any other airdrop. You can see what is happening in the Web3 space. That some of the airdrop will just use miners, the community, for their own selfish end, and they will walk away. And they have even decried that is wrong, and that we should not expect that from them. That 60% of the token is already for the community. So let us keep hope alive and keep on doing what the needful. Thank you very much. If your first time, one more time of coming through this, across the channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also help me to like it. You can also join my WhatsApp group. My channel, my Telegram channel is on the way, where you can have all the different authentic airdrops and also some other updates that I'm not able to profile on this very, very short time, as a result of my home policy. My video, I don't allow it to be too long. Thank you. God bless you.